Ever wonder what you're really sleeping on? Most of us never give it a second thought, but your pillow is more than just a soft place to rest your head. In fact, your pillowcase might be the dirtiest thing you touch every single day, even if it looks spotless at first glance. We spend about a third of our lives with our faces pressed against it, breathing in whatever's lurking there. Yet it's often overlooked in our cleaning routines. Even if it looks clean, your pillowcase is a magnet for microscopic grime, tiny particles you can't see but are always there. Every night, your skin, hair, and breath transfer oils, sweat, and dirt onto your pillow. Makeup, skincare products, and even drool add to the mix. This creates a perfect storm of bacteria, fungi, and mites, an invisible world right under your nose, multiplying while you sleep. These critters thrive in the warm, moist environment your body creates while you sleep, making your pillow their ideal home. Tossing and turning just rubs your face deeper into this microbial party, spreading the grime across your skin and pillowcase. The truth? Your pillowcase could be sabotaging your skin, clogging pores and causing breakouts without you even realizing it. The battle for clear skin doesn't end with your skincare routine. It continues on your pillow, night after night. Ignoring your pillowcase could undo all your hard work, no matter how many products you use or how careful you are. Tonight, look at your pillow differently. It needs as much care and attention as your skin, maybe even more. Let's uncover what's really happening on your pillowcase, and why it deserves a spot in your nightly routine. What's building up on your pillowcase every night? The answer might surprise you. It's much more than you think. Every day you shed millions of dead skin cells, many of which settle right onto your pillow, creating a feast for dust mites that thrive in your bedding. Natural oils from your skin and hair, along with any lotions, creams, or hair products you use before bed, build up to form a sticky, invisible film on the fabric. Sweat adds even more moisture, especially if you sleep hot or live in a humid climate, turning your pillowcase into a warm, damp haven for bacteria and fungi to multiply. Environmental debris, like dust, pollen, and even tiny particles of pollution from outside, settle onto your bedding, adding to the invisible mess. If you share your bed with pets, you're also adding fur, dander, and even traces of saliva to the mix, making things even messier. Over just a few nights, your pillowcase transforms into a cocktail of dead skin, oil, sweat, dirt, and allergens, often without you even noticing. Night after night, this grimy surface is pressed against your face for hours at a time, making close contact with your skin. It's the perfect recipe for clogged pores, irritation, and stubborn breakouts, especially if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. Even if you wash your face religiously, your pillowcase can reintroduce all these irritants, undoing your skincare efforts overnight. The result? A hidden trigger for stubborn acne and skin flare-ups that just won't go away. So, what does science have to say about this dirty secret? Let's take a closer look at what's really lurking on your pillowcase. Think a little dirt can't hurt? Science disagrees. Studies show a pillowcase can harbor thousands of times more bacteria than a toilet seat after just 1 week. Warmth, moisture, and skin debris make it a 5-star hotel for germs. Bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, linked to acne and infections, are commonly found. Within days, bacteria multiply rapidly, especially if you don't change your pillowcase often. Even with nightly face washing, you're re-exposing your skin to this microbial load. It's not about being dirty, it's biology. The real problem is letting this ecosystem grow unchecked. For anyone struggling with acne, your pillowcase could be the missing link. Let's connect the dots between dirty pillowcases and breakouts. How does a dirty pillowcase cause pimples? The answer is surprisingly simple. Clogged pores are the main culprit, but there's more to it than that. Every night, your skin comes into contact with your pillowcase for hours at a time, making it a key player in your skin's health. Oil, dead skin cells, sweat, and leftover product residue all build up on your pillowcase. As you sleep, these impurities get pressed into your pores, forming plugs that can start the acne process and make existing breakouts worse. Bacteria from your pillowcase easily invade these clogged pores, triggering inflammation and new pimples. This invisible transfer happens night after night, even if you wash your face before bed. The dirtier the pillowcase, the more bacteria and grime can attack your skin, increasing your risk of breakouts and irritation. Friction from rough, dirty, or textured fabric can also irritate your skin, leading to a type of breakout called Acne Mechanica. This is especially common if you toss and turn at night. That's why breakouts often appear on the side of your face you sleep on most, creating a clear pattern that's hard to ignore. Even the best skincare routine can't compete if you're sleeping on a contaminated surface every night. Your efforts may be undone while you sleep. It becomes a frustrating cycle. Clear skin by day, new breakouts by morning, leaving you feeling stuck and discouraged. Breaking this cycle is key to achieving and maintaining clearer, healthier skin in the long run. So, what can you do about it? The answer starts with your pillowcase. The good news? This is an easy fix. Change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days. Daily if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Flip your pillow to use both sides before swapping for a fresh one. Choose silk or satin pillowcases. They're smoother, less absorbent, and gentler on skin. Wash pillowcases in hot water with fragrance-free detergent. Skip fabric softeners. Proper washing kills bacteria and dust mites, keeping your pillow truly clean. Make pillowcase hygiene a non-negotiable part of your skincare routine. These small changes can dramatically reduce breakouts. A clean pillowcase is the foundation for healthy, clear skin. Start tonight. Your skin will thank you. Like and subscribe for more science-backed beauty secrets. Thanks for watching. Stay glowing. I'll see you in the next video.